watching Timeless Foodie. So my today's recipe is quite familiar to the hostel students. Basically every hostel student has its one staple go-to food, and that's Maggie. Everyone has their own memorable recipe, and so do I. So without further ado, let's get started with my hostel walli Maggie. So first we need a container like this with lid. It should be a steel container. Then we need a hot water flask, serving bowl, ghee, then Maggie, and then the Maggie taste maker. And you can take any of your favorite pickles masala. So in the steel container, now I'll pour the water. The water should be according to your requirement. Make sure your water is boiling hot so that the Maggie softens quickly. Now here comes the Maggie. We'll pour it in the water and make sure that the Maggies are dipped nicely into the boiling water. Now we'll pour the Maggie taste maker. The second packet, we took 2 packs of Maggie, so there are 2 packets of Maggie taste maker. Now I'll put the ghee, half spoon, and mix it well. Now again, lastly we will put our favorite pickles masala. Let it be covered for 5 to 15 minutes and then our Maggie is ready. Here's the Maggie that we didn't even cook in the gas. That's it. That's how we prepared our Maggie in the hostel. I hope you liked it. Anyone in a rush can make this Maggie. If you guys got any more such hostel wali Maggie recipe, please let me know in the comment section. So do try my hostel wali Maggie recipe at your home, and if you enjoyed watching my video, please do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and also do hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. So see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care, stay safe.